Testing on bitumen typically involves various laboratory and field tests to assess its physical, chemical, and mechanical properties. Some common tests for bitumen include 1. Penetration test. It determines the hardness or consistency of bitumen by assessing the depth to which a standard needle penetrates the bitumen sample under specific conditions. 2. Softening point test. It determines the temperature at which bitumen softens and becomes flexible. 3. Ductility test. It measures the bitumen's ability to stretch without breaking at a specific temperature and speed. 4. Flash point test. It determines the lowest temperature at which bitumen vapors can ignite when exposed to an open flame or spark. 5. Viscosity test. It evaluates the flow characteristics of bitumen at various temperatures, which is crucial for asphalt mixing and application. 6. Specific gravity test. In paving jobs, so classify a binder density property is of great use in most cases bitumen is weighed. But when used with aggregates, the bitumen is converted to volume Wang density values. The density of bitumen is greatly influenced by its chemical composition. Increase in aromatic type mineral impurities cause an increase in specific gravity. 7. Float test. Normally the consistency of bituminous material can be measured either by penetration test or viscosity test. But for certain range of consistencies, these tests are not applicable and float test is used. 8. Water content test. The water in a bitumen is determined by mixing known weight of specimen in a pure petroleum distillate free from water, heating and distilling of the water. The weight of the water condensed and collected is expressed as percentage by weight of the original sample. The allowable maximum water content should not be more than 0.2% by weight. 9. Loss on heating test. When the bitumen is heated it loses the volatility and gets hardened. About 50 gm of the sample is weighed and heated to a temperature of 163 degrees Celsius for 5 hours in a specified oven designed for this test. The sample specimen is weighed again after the heating period and loss in weight is expressed as percentage by weight of the original sample. Bitumen used in pavement mixes should not indicate more than 1% loss in weight.